make a mess regardless, so it really doesn't. You're gonna have to clean up. That's part of it. You're supposed to make a mess.
Sorry, you said you liked it when this happened, so
Yeah.
I think you just continuously lie and get in trouble.
Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and you put your pants down, you know? Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. I mean, it'll just be all over your lap, you know? So, you can just go take a shower or a bath, right?
Oh. Well, I guess you've already seen my penis, so...
Yeah. Yeah.
I noticed. You showed many more. That's how we know you lied.
Yeah.
We're very good at catching people in lies, Tony, if you haven't figured this out.
Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Shit. And I really can't stand up.
Well,
And
like I
just
said, you
grab
can
the...
stay in your chair and just. Can you back up a little bit so that we can see? Yeah, and then take the jar with you. Mm-hmm. And then you can just do it upside down. Like I said, it's going to make a mess in your chair. So start your little, because you can get a little hard. You know you can. Yeah, just lean back a little bit.
Huh?
Just lean back a little bit.
What, the phone or me?
You.
Well, this is
There you
as
go.
far as
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
can
Right
go.
there. You're good. You don't have to lean back very far. Just as, yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's like a perfect position right there. And then you just open your legs up.
Oh, come on now.
It's okay. As much as you can get is fine. You don't have to do too much. I know. Yep. Go lower. Yep. Yep. All the way down. All in the cup. I want you in the jar. Yep. And then move it up and down the jar. And then start, kind of moving your hips. Yep.
Alright, there.
No, keep
See,
going.
I don't
No,
want
you're
all
supposed
of
to
it
keep going in the
here.
jar. Yeah, you're supposed to keep going in the jar.
I can't. This is as far as it will go. I can't stick it in there.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm telling you the truth.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
can you take some out of the jar and just like smear it all over your pathetic little dick?
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
All right.
Yeah, I see.
There.
Now say that you are a pathetic, lying bitch.
I am a pathetic lying bitch.
And say that you're a fucking pathetic pig.
And I am a fucking pathetic pig.
And that you will never lie to your goddess again.
And I will never lie to my goddess ever again.
Because the next time, it'll be
Because
worse than peanut butter.
the next time it'll be worse than peanut butter.
Now go clean yourself up, you stupid,
All right.
pathetic little bitch.
Okay.
I got family visiting and I have the smell of marijuana reeking out of my bedroom.